Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video with me how to develop kodular app and using the database Airtable. In our previous video, I have developed the app for the spreadsheet using this kodular as well as this Airtable. But there are certain things, so many, I think the viewers they requested how to actually go for this database connectivity, that the key and other things how to generate and how to put. That is the purpose this video I am developing to supplement the previous video, right? So for what we need to do, first of all you go to any of the browser. So I am opening my browser here. In this browser, just I am going to just you can go for the Google. Just I go to the Google here. In this Google, I go to create a form. Okay, so Google form, you know how to create a Google form. Just to go to the sheets, you can see it here. Go to the sheets, double click it here. In the sheets, you can open a blank sheet here. Okay, you can open a blank sheet. So open it. Okay, double click it here. So one blank sheet opens here. So I can put it here something like this. Yeah, takes 1 minute. Yeah. So I write. It is the faculty. No, yeah, just one faculty ID, one thing, then the faculty name, then the department, DEPD department, then we can go for his email, and we can go for his phone, right? So this is the things, and also finally you can go for the subject handled by the faculty, SUBJECT, right? So these are the things we needed and we successfully created for these things. Suppose I start with the faculty ID, some data I enter it here, 501 is the faculty ID. Name is my name I am writing, so it is G Jana, right? So then department I am writing, it is CSE. Then email, I created it here some Dr. G Jana, gmail.com. Okay. Similarly, some you can write some phone number here, 944012161, and the subject, suppose I am handling say web technology and kodular. Okay, kodular. Okay, suppose this is the thing, you can take any subjects. I am going with this one thing, you give it, right? So like that you can enter a number of data here, right? Then what I have done, I created then this untitled spreadsheet name also you can put it, it is faculty information, faculty information info. Okay, faculty info I can write it, right? So it is the faculty info. Is it clear? So I clicked it there. So I created a spreadsheet with the headings faculty ID, name, department, email, phone, and subject. It is fine. Remember all the things. Now copy all the things. Okay. So this is the thing. Control C. Fine. Now forget about that one. Now I want to create something using the Airtable. So go to the Airtable. Just airtable.com. Just to click airtable.com. With this airtable.com, just add a base. Just add a base. By adding a base, so something it is created, you see a new table is created. Now we can go for paste data. We can go for paste data. So here, yeah, I can put it here, Control V. Can you see here? So what is the heading? The faculty ID, name, department, email, phone, and subject number. Import pasted data. Import pasted data. Okay, then you can write it import. Okay, so now the entire data is imported. You have successfully imported. What it is there? It is given the faculty ID, then is the name, then is the department, then is the email, is the phone number, as well as the subject, right? So this is the thing you have done up to this, right? Now the comes whenever I want to use this Airtable, we need some API keys to be generated. For that, what you need, you just go to the help here, click the help here. Once you click the help here, can you see API documentation. Can you see here API documentations? Once you click this API documentation, the airtable.com API documentation, it opens here. Now wait for a minute. So once it opens here, you can see here it is JavaScript, or sometimes it is Node.js also it will open. So there can you see we are having something like that API key. Okay, give it a minute time. So it is coming here table. Can you see it here? It is clearly it is coming that app 7 like that something it is coming. Can you see it here up to this point? This is also there. So copy it. Okay. So the same thing also you can see it here on the here. If you see it here, the same app 7 CUOI. This is app 7 CUOI. Same thing it is there. Okay. So this is what we call it the we call it the API key. Okay. So this is the API key. You get it here. Okay. You keep it here somewhere. You paste it here. Okay. So you take it here, new one, and go for this one, and you go for a text box, and there you put it here. Okay, just you the API control V. Okay, save it here, right? So this is things you require here while you are going for this connectivity for this Airtable database. Okay, this is the API key, app like that, right? Then for the base ID also you need to do certain things, right? Then how you do that base ID? So the idea of this base is, this is the what I have given you, this is the base ID. This is the base ID. I can write it like this is the base ID. Can you see here at that SNW last thing it is coming SNW. So this is the base ID. This is the base ID. So you need the base ID as well as the API key. You need the base ID as well as the API key, right? So then you come to this thing here. Then are you getting me all the things? Just give me 1 minute. Now for the API key, what you need to do, just go to the account. Can you see the account? Then you just go to your account. In this account, it's opening. Yeah. So generate API key. Okay, it's already generated here. So now the same thing you copy it here. Copy and you put it here in the same places. So this is my what is something I did it there. This one.
Sir, sir, wait. Come once.
Okay.
So, sir, and bed. Yes.
So this is the API key, and for this base, what I already copied there. If you remember, this was our. If you remember, this is the base ID. Okay, sorry. Just you take from this point. So Control C. So then you put it here also. This is the base ID. Okay. So API key and Control V, that is base ID. Base ID. Okay. So these two things are important. And what is the name of the project? What is the table I have given? The table name I have given faculty info, I think. Okay. So this is the thing you have to do it here. Then what you need to do based on this Control S. Just I put it here.
Okay. Sir, come.
One. Just 1 minute. Now what you need to do, just you go back to our creator.kodular.io. In this creator.kodular.io, already by default we are having the screen bar, okay, and we are having invisible component like that we had already given here, that is the spreadsheet. Just you click the scroll, because in our project previously I have made the student information, now I am making the faculty information, okay. So in the spreadsheet, just click it here. You will have two things. One is the API key, then is the base ID, and the table name. Table name previously I have given students, now I am giving faculty, okay. You can put it faculty info by table name. Then API key, what you copied the API key, if you remember, this is the API key. This API key from this point to this point, copy and you paste it here, where you have to copy and paste it here. This is the API key. Then is the base ID. Where you get the base ID? The base ID already we copied. The base ID, it is there here. Yeah, already I shown you where is the base ID. Okay, so here is the base ID. From this point to this point, copy the base ID and you also put it here. Okay, so you put the API key and how to generate the API key I have shown, and where to get the base ID I have shown. Then write the table name. The previous case it was the students, now it is the say faculty info. You just change the name of the table. What is the name of the table? Same thing, you have to change it here. Once it is there, then by default the view name will be grid view. And once everything is okay, so up to this everything is fine, then what you need to do, you have to go for your BlueStack X. You have to go for the BlueStack X. In the BlueStack X, already I have done that. I think that you no need to open that one. Just to go to the spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, if you double click the spreadsheet, yeah, it is opening now. Yeah, you can get it now. Just 1 minute. It takes some time because it is first time initializing. Yeah, it's 95%. Okay, so these are the things. Don't worry for this sort of things at this moment. Minimize it. It's not necessary now at this moment. Just you go for this spreadsheet what I already created. In the spreadsheet, as a student, I have given the student information, student registration number, name, mobile, email, and all things. For faculty information, just to change all the things there in the design. Then you write it will the faculty ID, the name of the faculty, mobile, and email. Then when you submit, it will show the data is created, and when you fetch data, a particular data also it can be retrieved, right? So these are the things you need to do, and I hope now you'll be comfortable with designing any app with a database connectivity. The database I have taken the online database, that is the Airtable. I hope this is enough. You can start API. If you have any problem or any things, you can comment me or you can send SMS to me. And if really you like this video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this. Thank you for watching this video.